Welcome to my channel. For the most part, what I'm going to be doing here is, tutorials of sorts, showing some of the behind the scenes from like recent photo shoots and basically going over all types of plugins I use for Photoshop and things like that to get to the point where I can deliver successful magazine-ready edits and also fine art prints, etc. That's basically the goal of this channel. If you want to subscribe, definitely would be cool. You know, I can speak to some of you guys if you have any questions and things like that. I'll give you some background on me. I'm a photographer, obviously, right? I'm from New York, by way of Atlanta before I came here. I've lived in a lot of places around this earth. Currently, I live in Andalusia, Spain, and gladly actually just finished my portfolio for Spain. So yeah, basically this is what I'll be doing to showcase some of the work that I have going on, or some of the things that I have done. Is that how YouTubers do it? I don't know. I seen it somewhere, so I figured I'd give it a try.
I'm so up and I can't turn it down. You're counting me out, my whole life turned around.